Hi everyone, in this video we're going to learn SetInterval methods and clearInterval methods. Let's get started. So what is SetInterval method? SetInterval method is a JavaScript method that allows to call a block of instructions within a specified time. Here you can see here we have say hi method that is going to console hi everyone into the console, and we have a second method increment count that's going to increment the count variable. Now here we have SetInterval. Our first SetInterval method that is calling say hi method every 1 second, and our second SetInterval method call increment count method every 2 seconds. Now let's see how it works. Here, as you can see, we have two functions. Once we pass say hi to SetInterval, it is going to be called after 1 second. Every time after 1 second, SetInterval is going to call a function. As you can see into the console, they are calling hi everyone, and they are incrementing the count variable. And we can use clearInterval to stop a given timer. For example, let's say hi timer. Let's count timer. And then to stop this timer, we are going to use the clearInterval methods. And then we are going to pass here the say hi timer. You can see our say hi timer has stopped, and our count timer has stopped too. Now, for example, let's create a function that is going to check if count variable is greater than 5, and then they're going to clear the timer. Okay, function check count. Then here we are going to pass here count. Then here we're going to check if count is greater than 5. We are going to clear the interval. We're going to pass count timer that we are going to stop once count is attained 5. Here, let's comment this one. Here we are going to see 1, 2, 3. Let's call our function here. I didn't call it. Let's pass count here. We're going to see 1, 2, 3 after 2 milliseconds, 4, 5, 1, 6, and then our timer is going to stop. 7, no, it doesn't stop. Let's create a function that is going to be pass here. Let's do this. Let's create a pass here callback, and then within the callback we are going to call increments count, but also we are passing check count. This function, it is going to check every time, every 2 milliseconds, if let variable is greater than 5. Let's see, 5, 6, and then our timer stops because count is greater than 6. That's all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, and I see you next one.